Good morning, boys and girls of Primary 2, and welcome to Lesson 3. In the previous two lessons, we looked at the importance of animal life, where we said that animals and plants are needed to help keep the balance of nature. Animals use their instinct to survive, whereas humans have free will to make choices. Animals help us in many ways. They provide food, comfort, protection, etc. In today's lesson, we will be looking at animals and their habitats. Animals live all over the earth, in the sea, on land, and in the sky. Different kinds of animals live in the mountains, the grasslands, the forests, the deserts, and the polar regions, and the oceans. The place where an animal lives best is called its habitat. Now, do you think that plants have habitats too? If your answer is yes, you are correct. Plants survive best in their natural environment. Some can survive in water, whereas some prefer the desert. For example, the water lily and the cactus. Some like lots of sun, some do not, and so on. Now, some kinds of animals are in trouble. We say they are endangered. Their habitat is being destroyed, or too many animals of one kind have been killed. Some examples of endangered or threatened animals are tigers, gorillas, the green sea turtle, the giant panda, the humpback whale, the Asian elephant, and the indigo macaw. Those are just a few of the many animals that are endangered. It's either that their habitats are being destroyed or too many of them are being killed. All living things are part of God's creation. We share the earth with all kinds of plants and animals. God tells us to care for animals and to protect their habitats. In the same way, we share the earth with other people. They live in different countries. They look different and often act differently. But all people deserve respect for themselves and for their habitats. Okay, so let's summarize what we learned today. We said that animals live all over the earth, on land, in the sea, in the air. And the place where an animal lives best is called its habitat. Some animals are also endangered, and I gave you some examples. We also share the earth with other people too. All people deserve respect for themselves and their habitats. For the activity today, you will write a poem about your favorite animal. You will use the following directions. On the first line, write the animal's name. On the second line, write 2 words that describe the animal. On the third line, tell something the animal does. On the fourth line, tell where it lives. And on the fifth line, describe your feelings about the animal. I will read the example that is given in the book. Polar bear, playful white, eats lots of fish, lives near the North Pole. Brr, he makes me cold. I hope you have fun writing your poem. That's all for today. I will see you next week. Goodbye now.